Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Real Fantasy James dildo. So let's get started. So this is the James dildo itself. Now we'd recommend this for more experienced users because of its length and diameter. It features a very realistic design here with a textured veiny shaft for extra stimulation and a rounded head just here. It features a firm yet flexible shaft for optimal comfort, and of course it features a silky soft material for a comfortable feel during use. It's suitable for both vaginal and anal use, and you can use it in combination with a strap-on harness. You can also use the strong suction cup to attach to any flat smooth surface and enjoy hands-free stimulation. We'd always recommend to use a water-based lubricant on the dildo and on your intimate zones as well for optimal comfort during use. Always make sure to finish with a toy cleaner and lukewarm water every time after use. You can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Real Fantasy James dildo. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.